go to the back door. Maybe he'll let us in, you never know. He's a kid. Kids are stupid.
Bless his highly nutritious microwavable macaroni and cheese dinner that people sold it on sale. Amen. This is it. Don't get scared now. Merry Christmas, little fella. We know that you're in there, and that you're all alone.
Yeah, come on, kid, open up. It's Santa Claus. And his elf.
We're not gonna hurt you.
No. That's nice presents for you.
Be a good little fella now and open the door.
What happened?
Hello. Dead kid.
a chicken.
I'm up here, you morons! Come and get me! You guys give up, or you're thirsty for more? Don't worry, Mom, I'll get him for you!
He's only a kid, Harry. We can take him.
Oh, shut up, will ya?
Oh,
What is it?
you're missing some teeth.
Where? That's where I go to. I go to. I'll kill him. I'll kill him. You found me with one more kid, kid, and I'll snap him like a honey and boil him motor oil. Earl, our healths are being robbed. March 656, Lincoln Boulevard. My name's Murphy. What are you doing, Marv? Marv? Marv, what are you doing? Marv. Where is it? Where is it? You jerk! Where'd he go?
Maybe committed suicide.
Down here, you big horse's ass! Come and get me before I call the police!
Let's get him.
Wait. It's just what he wants us to do. It's to go back downstairs through his front house so we get all tore up. Here come the cops! He's not calling. From a tree house? Come on.
Window?
Yeah.
Not going out the window?
Are you scared, Marv? Are you afraid? Come on, get out here. Hey guys, check this out. There he is! Hey, I'm calling the cops! Wait, he wants us to follow him. I got a better idea, come on. Hiya, pal. He outsmarted you this time. Get over here.
What are you gonna do, Harry?
He'll do exactly what he did to us. I'll burn his head with a blowtorch.
You can smash his face with an iron.
I can slap him right in the face with a paint can, maybe.
Or shove a nail through his foot.
First thing I want to do is bite off every one of these little fingers, one at a time.
Come on, let's get you home. Nice move. Always leave the water running. Now we know each and every house that you've hit.
Hey, you know, we've been looking for you two guys for a long time.
Yeah. Now remember, we're the wet bandits. Wet bandits. And
Shut up!
Come on.
Here's the bad pal!
Come on.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, your troubles will be out of sight. Through the years we just by